Heron's formula. The chapter is Heron's formula, exercise 12.1. A traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A. Find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. If its perimeter is 180 cm, what will be the area of the signal board? Okay. The Heron's formula for the area of scalene triangle. A equal to under root S minus A, S minus B and S minus C, where A, B, C are the sides of triangle and S is the semi-perimeter. If the side is A, equilateral triangle means both sides, all the three sides are equal to A. Therefore, S equal to A plus A by 2. It means semi-perimeter is 3A by 2. Okay. Now using formula, area of triangle equal to 3A by 2 S minus A, S minus B. Here B is also A, and S minus C. C means A. All the three sides are equal. Now solve. 3A by 2 into 2A. Subtracting this we get A by 2, A by 2, A by 2. Now A comes 4 times. It means square root this A into A by 2 into 2 and root 3. 3 is 1 time, therefore root 3. And 4 we can make pair and taking outside. The answer is root 3 by 4 into side square. If the perimeter is 180 cm, find the area of equilateral triangle. Then the side equal to 180 by 3 means 60 cm. The area of equilateral triangle now we can put in the formula root 3 by 4 into side square. By cancel 15. Okay. 15 6 ja 90, 900 root 3 centimeter square. Okay. This is the answer of question number 1. Next question. The triangular side walls of a flyover have been used for advertisement. The sides of the walls are 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. The advertisement yields an earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. A company hired one of its wall for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? The 1 year rent is 5,000 rupees per meter square. Okay. We have to find the rent for 3 months. Okay. Now first we have find the area of the wall. Question number A equal to 122 meter, B equal to 22 meter and C equal to 120 meter. Now first we have find the semi-perimeter. Okay. 122 plus 22 plus 120 by 2. It means 264 by 2. 132 meter. Now using formula, area equal to under root S equal to 132, S minus A means 122 minus 132 minus 122, S minus B and S minus C. Okay. Now solve. 132 into 110 into 10 into 100 to 112. Only 12, not the 112, only 12. Now factorize. We can write 132 is 11 into 12. 110, 11 into 10. 10 and into 12. Making pair 10, 11, 12 and 10. This is the square root of this number is 1320 meter square. Now we have to find the cost of advertisement. Per meter square is rupees 5,000. Per year means divided by 12. And we have to find for the 3 months. Now we have to multiply it by 3. 3 4s are 12. Cancel. 4 3s are 12. 330. Multiplying 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros and 33 into 5. 16,15,000 rupees is the cost of advertisement. Next question number 3. There is a slide in a park. One of its side walls has been painted in the some color with a message, keep the park green and clean. If the sides of the wall are 15 meter, 11 meter and 6 meter, find the area painted color. Here is a triangular wall, 11, 6 and 15. The area. A equal to 15 meter, B equal to 11 meter and C equal to 6 meter. Now first we have find the semi-perimeter. 15, 11 plus 6 by 2. 7, 5, 12, 1 carry, 32 by 2 is 16 meter. Okay. Now area, under root S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. 16 into 1 into 5 into 10. Now here is a 4. You can write for 16 is 4 into 4, 5 into 5 into 2. 4 5 are 20, root 2 meter square. This is the area of the park. Question number 4. Find the area of triangle, two sides of which are 18 centimeter, 10 centimeter and the perimeter is 42 centimeter. Perimeter equal to 42 centimeter and one side is 18 centimeter and other side is 10 centimeter. Now we have to find the side C. Perimeter equal to P equal to A plus B plus C, sum of the three sides. Here 18 plus 10 plus C equal to 42. C equal to 42 minus 28. 14 centimeter. Okay. Now semi-perimeter, half of the perimeter. 42 by 2 equal to 21 centimeter. Now area, under root S, value is S is 21. Now 21 minus A means 21 minus 18. Again 21 minus 10 and 21 minus 14. These are the S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Now 21 into 3 into 11 into 7. Now prime factorization. 3 into 7, 3 into 11 into 7. Now making pair, 3 into 3, 1 free 3, taking square root, 21 root 11 centimeter square. Next question. Question number 5. Sides of a triangle are in the ratio 12 is to 17 is to 25 and its perimeter is 540. Find its area. The ratio is 12 is to 17 is to 25 and perimeter is 540 centimeter. This is given. Now side A equal to 12x, B equal to 17x and C equal to 25x. Again sum of the three sides equal to perimeter. 12x, 25x equal to 540. 7 to 9 by 14. 54x equal to 540. It means x equal to 10. This is a multiple. The side A equal to 120, 12 into 10, 120, B equal to 170 and C equal to 250. Now we can find the area. Here S equal to 540 by 2. S is equal to perimeter divided by 2 equal to 270. Now area. 270 minus 120, 270 minus 170 and 270 minus 250. This is the under root. Now 270, 150, 100 and 20. Okay. Now we have to factorize in terms. 27. We can write 3 into 3 into 3, 27 into 10. 15 is 3 into 5 into 10. 100 is 10 into 10. And 20 is 2 into 10. First we have to make the pair. Okay. 3, 3. No need of square root. Only 3 into 3. Now 10. 110 and 210. Rest 5 to the 10 into 10. 110 is more. It means 9000 meter square is the area. 9000 centimeter square. Next question. An isosceles triangle has perimeter 30 centimeter and each of the equal sides is 12 centimeter. Find the area of triangle. Now perimeter equal to 30 centimeter. Okay. And equal sides, A equal to 12 centimeter and B equal to 12 centimeter. Now we have to find the semi-perimeter is perimeter by 2. 30 by 2 equal to 15. And third side of the triangle is A plus B plus C equal to perimeter. 12 plus 12 plus C equal to 30. Then 30 equal C equal to 30 minus 24 equal to 6. And now area under root S is 15. 15 minus 12, 15 minus 12 and 15 minus 6. 15, 3 into 3 into 9. Okay. Now factorize 3 into 5, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is 9. 9 under root 15 centimeter square. This is the area of isosceles triangle. Okay. Thank you.